So I was on the road 2 days ago and I decided to get a group of white people and ask them to volunteer and do this video with me. I walk up to them and I just ask them if they would volunteer by answering a question that a lot of us wanted to ask them, pertaining to why is it that they smiles when they said hello, and then the minute they turn, like they turn away their head, or they think you're not looking, they get so serious. So I wanted to ask them that question for a long time. I mean, it has happened to me before, not often, like maybe about 3 times, I believe. And I said to myself, why is it, but not just that, but I remember when I used to in a nursing home when I just got here, and I was working in a nursing home, and I saw it a lot, not necessarily with me but to other people, like a lot of times on the road, almost every day when you're on the road, in those area where you see those people, you see it happen all the time. Supermarket, all these places you go where you see a crowd of people, you see it happening. So I always wanted to ask, not just me, but some of my colleagues wanted to ask that question as well. So when I saw them, and they volunteer, they didn't know what the question was. So I just, asked them, and I recorded it. I told them I was going to record it. And when I told them I'm going to record it, but I'm not going to put their face on the recording, they said that's fine. And it turned out very well. You just listen to what they say and their opinion pertaining to the question. That's I'm gonna add right now. This is an anomaly. Okay, so I am an immigrant, right? And it's not on you, it's on me. The camera is on me. So I'm an immigrant, and ever since I came into this country, I used to work at a nursing home taking care of elderly people, right? So like whenever like the family come in to visit, and like sometimes they said hello to us, and they give we this pretty, like, not my complexion, white people, we are black people. So we always wanted to ask them this question, like, when you give a pretty bright smile, what changes in 2 seconds why you get so serious, like when you turn it. I don't think maybe it's everyone, but like they get so serious. Like you said, you give me this smile and then you turn away, and then you get so serious, like you never smile with me. I wanted to, not just me, but a lot of us wanted to, like it wasn't real, like it wasn't a real smile. Do you have any idea what I'm talking about?
No, because
You do? You do?
I don't do
I,
that. So
I don't think.
I know what you're talking about.
You know what?
I'm a different culture because I'm Hispanic. I'm Caribbean as
and
well.
I'm Italian.
Oh, so that wouldn't go for you.
Yeah.
You're an
That's why I said
Italian.
I don't. I
But
don't
you know what I'm
understand
talking
why-
about,
Okay,
right?
so can you please explain to us what you think?
Sure,
I'm an
if I-
Italian person, and we're very demonstrative.
Yeah.
And when we smile, we're genuine. Like I.
Exactly.
Eye contact with you, I go,
Oh, you know what I'm talking about.
Is that what
Yes.
you're talking about?
Yes.
Oh, that's a fake smile.
Yeah, and
That's fake.
I always,
If it's like that.
Yeah.
That's fake.
yeah,
but I'm always smiling. So.
I know.
If
But you know
someone
what
just
I'm
goes
talking about,
like
right?
this, to
But-
me, that's like a bitchy.
No, I don't think, no.
Yeah, but do you know? Have you ever done it, or do you ever like? You do it all the time, but what make you do it?
Well, I'm Indian Italian, that's my background. But usually what it is sometimes it's not even about you. Sometimes the person's not happy inside at the moment.
Okay.
And they're nice to you and they're genuine, but then when you walk away, like the smile just fades naturally. You know, like let's say I'm really tired, I come to work, I'm happy to see you, but then after like the conversation ends, it just kind of fades naturally. Like I go back into being tired or something. I'm not really tired a lot. Well, even though I am always tired, I'm not.
Tell me.
I'm okay. Always tired, but I'm never tired. But I just feel like a lot of people sometimes are just stressed out and
Yeah.
other things are on their mind.
Right.
And, like as soon as you walk out, they kind of like just go on to the next thing, and it just like. The
But it's like
expression's
2 seconds, so that's why I always wanted to ask.
See,
Like,
I've
it's
seen
like
young
two-
girls do that to each other, and when I witness that, to me, it's like a bitchy thing. Do you know
Yeah,
what I mean? It's like a fake bitchy thing,
Right.
catty, right?
right.
But
I
I
think
don't really see adults doing.
No, I see the adults a lot. Well, not necessarily with me, but I'll be walking by and I saw it a lot, and I always wonder why. You know what I mean?
But then again, if you're in a nursing home, they may
But
be
it's not just the nursing
smiling
home.
at
You could be walking past
yeah.
on the mall and I see it
could be really
happen.
stressed out. Maybe it's depressing.
Yeah.
There's a lot of reasons.
if you go to
Yeah.
Europe, they wonder why it is that Americans are always smiling at you when they don't know you.
Really?
That's the
Because
thing.
Europeans
Yeah.
don't smile at
Europeans
people.
don't.
Really?
Italy,
Yeah.
Yeah, Europeans don't smile at you. They don't acknowledge you with a
Right.
smile. So it's very odd for Europeans to like walk down the street and be like,
Right.
hi. Where I think we here will smile at someone else just to acknowledge, because like you're making eye contact
Right.
with someone,
Right.
and it would be awkward not to smile at
Right.
somebody,
Right.
even if you don't know that. Like,
Right.
You just give someone a nice smile and makes them have a nice day.
Yeah, different cultures have like a different
Yeah.
facial
It's true.
expression norm. Like I learned that in psychology, and it was saying like if you show the same like 5 expressions to people all around the world, they'll say the emotions differently.
Right.
You might say, oh, you're smiling out of like fear, like you're afraid and you're just laughing.
Yeah.
Or you're smiling because you're being sarcastic or joking.
Right.
Like there's so many reasons that
Right.
people could smile. I think it depends how fast. I've seen people do it fast, and I'm like, oh, that's so weird. They'll like talk to a guest, they'll be like, have a great day.
Yeah.
And then they'll just be like,
Right. Exactly. That is
Yeah.
exactly what I'm
no,
saying.
that's
Like,
fake. That's actually.
yeah, that's what I'm
I
like.
think
I think it's in the context in which
right,
in which
it's a matter
you
of
see it.
perspective. I think
Yeah.
it's a courtesy, really.
Right.
Is what it is.
Okay.
If you look at it in that way, it's not like that they're being. It is fake.
Yeah.
In
But it's
some
in this sense. In
Okay.
that it's not genuinely coming from.
It's not
Like,
genuinely.
I'm just taking it.
Right.
It's a courtesy, like hi.
Right.
So if I'm walking, if I go to the dollar store, let's say,
Right.
in what he's saying, and I'm walking back and I see people, and they're straight, I smile at people.
Yeah.
I always smile at people. But then once they pass me, I'm not smiling
Not anymore.
because there's no one else coming at me, and I'm not going to walk down the hall like this,
Right.
because then I'll look like a
Right.
crazy idiot.
Right. Right.
But when I smiled at them, I was being genuine.
Right.
You know, smiling
When I
just-
smile at you, it's like I'm just pleasant. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's just pleasant. I'm not just smiling along all the way, but I'm just being pleasant. But it's just different. And a lot of us really wanted to ask that question for a very long time, but people are afraid that people are going to insult them, or maybe they're going to think about racism. I mean, it's good. It's good, and I really appreciate it, because walking up to somebody and just ask them that, people are saying, okay, because they're racist or this or that, that's why they smile at you, they don't like you. You have all different kind of
I
comments.
think if we had more conversations like this.
Yes,
We would be
exactly,
better. Now I have
exactly.
a lot
If
of
we,
different
exactly,
cultures in my family.
yeah,
So for me, it's like really natural. to
Right.
Just be nice to everybody.
awesome. You see?
If someone would just smile, like even if it's for a brief second, just say hi versus like not smile. Like I've heard
Exactly.
my aunt who's always very smiling, and then my uncle, I just saw him, and then he's like, hi, like he just like doesn't
Yeah.
have emotions
Yeah.
much.
But I get,
That's just how he is.
yeah, that's how he is. Yeah, I guess that's how he is. Oh my God, I'm so happy I asked this question, because now my girls can actually see this and said, okay, so I guess different strokes for different folks. I mean, it's not everybody emotion or face expression is not the same, and they're not thinking the same. You know? Exactly. Exactly.
But like, let's say a man, I'm alone in an elevator and like a man smiles at me, I'm just like, just like go back to like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
say that
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, it's not gonna be because
It's
of
not.
race.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't. No.
Yeah. But a lot of it is because people are saying that's what it is. I'm telling you.
In this country, it's because everybody has their heads up their own butts.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
That's.
Especially in this country. Now, I mean, not anywhere else, but like in this country, basically
No, it's not
people are
just this
thinking
country,
that,
it's just this country on this hemisphere.
yeah,
Because I mean, if you, like I said, if you go to Europe, you're not gonna get a smile out of anybody unless you.
wow.
I mean,
So you
Unless
see,
they know you. And
right,
unless they
Then, and
know
so
you.
then
Yeah,
you
so-
would think that that would be racist, but then you have to look and really see that they're not smiling at anybody.
right,
So that's not racism. Do
Right,
you know what I mean? Because
right.
they're not smiling at anyone at all.
Right.
White, black, yellow, green,
right.
orange,
They don't
blue.
care.
Even Americans too, like
And then I was,
Italians are a little, in Italy are a little.
oh yeah.
Stuck up.
Oh, Italy is. Oh, really? Okay, so I was. Oh, you're from Italy too. Okay, so it's like I was saying, I never really see they do it to each other, like give them that smile, like with. So that's why a lot of them think was racist, you know.
It's racist. I think that's
Yeah.
just finding a cultural connection and
Yeah.
identification. Like if you see like when I would wear the hijab, I see someone in the hijab, like I was and I greet everyone, but I mean like if I just see a random person walking I don't know, that's like it's like the etiquette thing to like have a greeting among a lot of people. Maybe they feel a sense of like safety, but
Right. You're right.
You know, when I'm
Right.
at the front of the store and people walk by, I say hi to everyone.
Right.
I say hello to everyone. Hi. how are you
Caribbean
today?
people are like that. Like they said good morning, good
Oh,
evening
yeah.
to everybody.
I was just in
Yeah.
the Caribbean and
Yeah, everybody doesn't matter.
friendly,
Like,
yeah.
so that's why it's kind of feel. And then here, a lot of people walk past you and they don't even say hi. In the Caribbean, we don't do that. Everybody we see, we said hi. That's how we were raised.
But you're gonna find that people here are not gonna do that.
Exactly. And then
you just
it's
gonna
in.
find some people who are special like us
It
and say
depends on
hello.
where you are.
It depends.
If you're in the city in New York, you're
I
not gonna
forgot
do
it.
that.
Nobody's gonna say
Yeah,
hi to you
in New York. Oh my God, they always Speedy Gun.
Everyone's busy.
Speedy
Everyone's
Gonzalez in New York.
Everyone's got headphones in.
running to a
They're
train.
running
Yes.
in. They're going to work.
Yeah.
They're too
Yeah.
busy to stop and do anything.
You're right.
They mind their own business. You could be lying dead in the
Ah,
meeting and no one's
they don't
stopping.
care. In
Yeah.
New York, they don't care. I know it.
They have things to do.
Oh
But if
my
you go to
gosh.
the South, if you're-
Yes, you're in the South.
Yeah.
Everyone is lovely.
it's-
Yeah.
It's hard to get.
Because it's like the countryside.
Yes.
Like
Yes,
Virginia,
you're right.
Georgia,
Got it. Yeah.
Carolinas.
Yeah.
That you will find everybody's going to be so sweet.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
Florida
further.
is a whole different weird cut state
Oh,
of itself.
boy.
But if you, especially when you go to Virginia and stuff
Yeah.
like that, everyone is just dripping with sugar.
Wow.
Yeah. No matter where you go, everyone's super sweet.
I
polite.
guess maybe I need to go down there.
So, like, that's right. It depends on where you go.
It's true. It depends.
California, everybody's like this.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
The rich
so-
state.
Yeah. So, like he said,
Nobody
where you
cares.
are is
Yeah,
where you
it's
can-
true.
In the Midwest, I don't know. I think people are a little hokey.
Yeah.
They're more introspective.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's so. Okay, you guys. So you listen to everything that they were saying. Different strokes for different folks. I guess. A lot of people maybe think it's racist, but you know, one of the answer that the gentleman said to me. One of the thing that I think the gentleman said to me that, you know, I wish we could have more civilized conversations like this. You know what you did, and even some of it I didn't get on the camera because I stopped it. But they were being very polite about it because I said to them, you know, a lot of people think it's have things to do with race, it's racism or stuff like that, and he was saying no, he don't think that's the case. But you know, the way how some of the explanation that they gave me, it makes sense. Some of it makes sense. So different strokes for different folks, and I think I'm not giving up. I'm still gonna ask this question to other people.